So guys, this is the soup that I've made for Robert today. So I'm gonna take it to him and see how it goes. Nice soup.
Wow. No wonder I have been smelling something nice.
Yes, it and tell me what it
Oh
is.
my God.
Since it's your first time I drink that kind of soup, yeah.
The calf skin is so soft. It's good. Absolutely good. I can't even wait to go to the dining table.